Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I tried to explain you about the approaches to the stock market. So basically, there are two approaches. One is the value investing, and other is growth investing. Now, again, there comes to some strategies that you can follow to be able to invest in the stock market, or mainly followed. That are fundamental analysis and technical analysis. So these are strategies because why they are strategies, because you have your view or intention to be in the market to invest your money for short term or long term. So many people want to invest for long term and be seated to just check how their money is growing, but few people want to get daily benefits or daily profits from their investment, so they go for technical analysis. So just understand what is the main difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. So in general, what I can say is fundamental analysis is for the people who want to just invest in good stocks and be invested for longer term. But in technical analysis, people daily check the charts, analyze the stocks price movement, and accordingly decide to invest in them. Okay, so just I want to show you some few differences between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Okay, so first of all, as I said, the fundamental analysis is for long term. So your view is that you will invest your money for longer term, like 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years. But in technical analysis, you invest the money for short term. It is an investment, but you just check the stock, check its price movement graphs, and check whether it will be going up from this level. So your view is short. Okay, and for fundamental analysis, you check various aspects of the company, like you check the statement, quarterly results, the various values, various terms like BITDA, then how the company provides the dividends, like that. But in technical analysis, you check the charts. So on the charts, you see the price movements, and according to the price movement, you decide where to enter and where to exit. Okay, in fundamental analysis, the pure view is for investment. Okay, you by that it means that you invest the money, suppose for 5 years or 10 years. So you are investing it for a longer period. So you want a gain, a better gain in longer period, and so that you check the companies their past performance and you keep invested. But in technical analysis, you do the trading. So uh, that's the difference. So you have to decide whether you are want to be an investor or a trader. So trader daily sits on a PC or maybe in front of their laptop, mobile, and they check on the price movements, and then they decide when and where to enter. Okay, and fundamental analysis is time consuming. Yes, because you have to invest your money for longer time. So to get the profits, you wait for long, you keep the patience. But in technical analysis, the actions are very quick, means as the price moves daily, and when the market starts, it keeps on moving every second. So here you have to be quick. Okay, so you rely on the graphs and the price movement. And fundamental analysis, it's often kept for months, years. Okay, so if you see, many people keep the stocks for 10 years or 20 years. So in 10 and 20 years, they get much bigger profits. But that's because they keep patiently the stocks in their portfolio. Okay. In technical analysis, the stocks can be kept for minutes, hours, or days, or weeks. Because here, in technical analysis, you choose a stock, you know that the price will be going to move, so you keep the stock, and after subserted profit, you just sell the stock. So you're not holding the stock for longer period. In fundamental analysis, what they do is they understand the patterns in company's performance. So as the company declare their results for every quarter, so for every past quarters or few past years, the fundamental analysis is done whether the company is doing a good business, they are getting profits every quarter, their results are good, and based on that, the fundamental analysis is done and you select the stock. But in technical analysis, you understand the share price, so how it is moving, how means where it has stuck or where it is now in the zone where it can give a breakout, like that. So this is just a basic understanding to give you a strategy, to understand strategy now, where I have to go, like I have to invest for longer time or I want to be a trader and earn money daily. But that again needs a good analysis, understanding the chart. So now I will just show you a few of the sites that are available for each of these categories. So for fundamental analysis, there are two websites that I know are screener.in and ticker.phenology.in. And for technical analysis, you have intradyscreener.com. So let me take you to one of the sites for fundamental analysis, that is screener.in. So if I click on that site, it will open the page. Here, if I suppose put the one of the company like Infosys, so I had to put the name, and here if you see there are various things you can see on here. So if I'm doing a fundamental analysis, I will just look at these quarterly results, how the sales has happened, how the profits has grown. So if I see suppose in June 2018 the profit was 4,703 crores. This is in crores. Okay, now if look at the profit in 2021, the profit is 7,271. So it certainly it has grown, it almost double. So like that you see that, yeah, the company is making progress and they are making profits and the profit is increasing. The other thing that most of them see is what is the compounded profit growth over the maybe 3 years, 5 or 10 years where, so it's growing, so it's good, not bad. And in compounded sale growth also they are growing. Also you can see the return on equity. So return on equity is good, means in 10 years you are getting 25% returns. That's very good return. So like this you keep on looking at the various factors for fundamental analysis, right? Now if I go back and I want to show you about uh, the technical analysis. For this I am going to this site here. Now once the site open, I will just put an example, one of the example for any site, any particular company. Like I'll take the same example of Infosys. Okay, it's not opening, so let me log in to the page. It's not happy. Let me put my other credentials. Okay, now that I have logged in, I will just open the company's page. Now here you can see, here you are seeing the graphs, and you are getting some signals, like you can see signals for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and daily. So here are some technical parameters that are mostly used in technical analysis. You can see MACD, RSI, super trend, VWAP, ADX. So these signals suggest you on whether to go for buying this particular stock. So if you can see, the super trend is bullish, VWAP is above, uh, means the value is above VWAP, and here for 5 minutes chart it's saying bullish, or 15 minutes chart it's saying bullish. So based on that you can decide on whether I can trade in this stock. And there are various parameters in this. So once you are going through these technical analysis and you are learning this, you can better understand these things, like what is resistance, what is support, etc. So for now, this much from for this video, and hope you like the video, and try to learn more on if you decide whether you want to go for fundamental analysis or technical analysis. So hope this is more informative, and if you want to learn more, you just visit YouTube or Google for this information. You can find more details, and you can learn from that. Thank you.